For most of human history, we thought the night sky was just our own cosmic backyard. Planets, comets, and asteroids, all born with our sun. But the universe is a sprawling city of galaxies, and it was only a matter of time before something from beyond arrived. In early 2025, astronomers confirmed the presence of 3I Atlas, the third known interstellar object to visit our solar system. This object isn't from here, it's a true outsider, a physical message from a distant corner of the Milky Way. 3I Atlas has traveled for millions, maybe billions of years across the void between stars. Each such visitor is a rare chance to study the building blocks of worlds beyond our own. The discovery of objects like 3I Atlas shifts our view. The solar system isn't an isolated island, but a port occasionally visited by ships from faraway lands. These visitors carry stories of their origins, encoded in their chemistry and trajectory. To study 3I Atlas is to read a chapter from the galaxy's story, a language we're just beginning to decipher. We're living in a remarkable era, finally able to spot these fleeting messengers as they pass through. The arrival of 3I Atlas is a reminder we're part of a vast, interconnected cosmic web. The galaxy is busy, and its travelers are finally revealing themselves to us. At first glance, 3I Atlas looks like any other comet, a fuzzy ball of ice and rock with a tail, but its path is unique. It's on a hyperbolic trajectory, moving so fast the sun can't capture it. Unlike local comets, which orbit the sun, 3I Atlas will swing by once and vanish into interstellar space. This speed hints at a violent ejection from its home system, maybe by a giant planet or during chaotic planet formation. Its chemistry isn't limited by our solar system's recipe. It's a sample from another star's kitchen. 3I Atlas also behaves differently from its interstellar predecessors. Oumuamua was rocky and tailless, Borisov was a classic comet, but Atlas is something in between. Its brightness and outgassing don't match our models, suggesting new processes or materials. Every observation refines our understanding of what interstellar objects can be. The galaxy is full of variety. Other worlds aren't just copies of ours. Studying these objects expands our cosmic catalogue and challenges our assumptions. That's what makes each new visitor so thrilling. Imagine a journey lasting millions of years through the cold, dark expanse between stars. That's the story of 3I Atlas. Its origins are lost to time, but it likely formed in a distant protoplanetary disk, ejected by gravitational chaos. Its discovery was thanks to Atlas, a robotic telescope network scanning for threats to Earth. Astronomers quickly realized its trajectory was interstellar. Too fast, coming from high above the solar system's plane. Now it's arcing through the inner solar system, passing inside Mars's orbit. As the sun heats it, ancient ices vaporize, revealing clues about its birthplace. Soon, gravity will fling it back into the galaxy, onto another unknown destination. We have only a brief window, just months, to study it before it fades into darkness. It's a race against time to capture as much data as possible from this fleeting messenger. The arrival of 3I Atlas has sparked a debate. Is it a natural comet or something more? Most astronomers, including NASA, see it as a natural product of planet formation, one of countless icy bodies ejected into interstellar space. But Harvard's Avi Loeb urges us to consider the extraordinary. Could it be artificial? A probe or derelict craft from another civilization? Loeb points to its unusual features as possible evidence for an artificial origin. He argues that, given the age of the galaxy, it's plausible that ancient civilizations could have sent probes across the stars. Finding such an artifact would be a civilization-defining moment. This debate highlights the tension between scientific caution and curiosity. Whether comet or artifact, 3I Atlas pushes us to keep our minds open to the unexpected. The conversation itself is expanding the boundaries of scientific inquiry. 3I Atlas raises a profound question. Could life travel between the stars? The idea, called panspermia, suggests comets and asteroids might carry life's building blocks, or even microbes, across the galaxy. Their icy shells shield organic molecules from space's harshness, preserving them for eons. If such an object crashed into a habitable planet, it could seed life there. We've already found amino acids on meteorites from our own solar system. Imagine what interstellar comets might carry. Avi Loeb even speculates about directed panspermia, the idea that an advanced civilization could deliberately send life-seeding probes. Even if 3I Atlas is natural, the implications are huge. Earth may have been struck by hundreds of millions of interstellar objects over its history. Each could have delivered organic material, making life a cosmic contagion, not a local miracle. These visitors may be the galaxy's gardeners, spreading the seeds of life from star to star. As astronomers study 3I Atlas, its mysteries only deepen. Most intriguing is a faint, repeating radio pulse, a heartbeat, unlike anything seen from a natural comet. Some suggest it's a new kind of cometary activity, perhaps a rotating jet creating a lighthouse effect. Others, like Avi Loeb, wonder if it's a sign of alien technology. The comet's tail is also odd. It may be a swarm of smaller objects, not a single stream of dust. Is it breaking apart, or was it always a collection? Or is it something stranger? These puzzles make 3I Atlas an active mystery, challenging our knowledge and imagination. It may seem like interstellar visitors are suddenly everywhere, but that's because we finally have the tools to spot them. For most of history, we missed these faint, fast-moving objects. Automated sky surveys like Atlas and Pan-STARRS now scan the sky every night, flagging anything unusual. This technological leap has opened a new window onto the cosmos. The fact that we've found 3 in just a few years suggests the galaxy is full of such wanderers. As our surveys improve, we'll find many more, each a scientific prize, a free sample from another star. We're no longer just studying our backyard. We're exploring the whole cosmic neighborhood. Interstellar objects like 3I Atlas are revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. For centuries, we only had our solar system to study. Now, we have samples from other stars. By analyzing their light, we can determine their chemical makeup and compare it to our own comets. If they're similar, it suggests planets like ours are common. If not, the galaxy is even more diverse than we thought. These objects also help us model how material moves between star systems, making panspermia a testable idea. The universe is more interconnected and dynamic than we imagined, a system constantly sharing and recycling its material. Each visitor is debris from the construction of other worlds, flung into the void by cosmic chaos. By studying them, we glimpse the history of distant star systems and the raw materials for life elsewhere. These discoveries enrich our perspective, showing our solar system is just one story among billions. The universe is a grand, ongoing experiment in creation and connection. The arrival of 3I Atlas invites us to reflect on our place in the cosmos. We're no longer alone on a lonely oasis. The universe is full of worlds, material and potential. Whether natural or artificial, 3I Atlas inspires humility and curiosity. If it's natural, it suggests life's ingredients are scattered everywhere. If artificial, it hints at older, wiser civilizations. Each new visitor brings new mysteries and possibilities, pushing us to be more curious and collaborative. We stand on the shore of a cosmic ocean, finally seeing the ships that sail upon it. The journey of 3I Atlas is an invitation to look up, wonder, and keep exploring. The greatest adventures for humanity may still lie among the stars.